My under eye powder is kicking, just so you know. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. In today's video, I'm doing a wig review. This little cutie is a main concept. She's main concept Janique, 14 inches, I believe. And I have her in the color SR4/cherry pink, which I'm obsessed with this coloring. I did a review, so I will link that. But this coloring is what drew me to this particular wig. And I got this wig again from Main Concept. This is their brown sugar line, and she doesn't have a name, which is annoying. But this is BS282. And I got her, this is a Swiss lace, lace front, lace deep part wig. She is a blunt cut. Does she say if she's heat safe? I don't see, I'm not saying it doesn't. Oh, it says hair may be styled on a very low setting. Thanks. And I got her in this color here, which is the SR1B/PINKMOCHA. So it's the 1B rooting, and it has pinks and browns and things. So let me get her. I got her from Glamourtress for $18, just so you know. And this is her right here. The color is stunning. It reminds me of like Neapolitan ice cream, but without the vanilla. So far, I do have one con. I did notice that it's very thin on the top, and you can sort of see the wefts. So I'm not sure how that's going to work when she's actually on, because look, you can really see the wefts. But outside of that, the color is stunning. I just, look at that. Like, hi, I'm leaning forward just to look at my phone. So she is light in the back. That's so far my only real con. She is that lace front, you can see. It's a nice parting. It's not super deep, honestly, but it's not a really big wig. 2 combs in the front, set pretty far back. Adjustable straps in the back, and 1 comb in the back. So she just, look at that. That is not a lot of hair at all. So I am concerned about that. The wig cap's comfortable. Oh, hey. The wig cap is comfortable. It's very stretchy. I'd say it's bigger head friendly. Like, I'd be a little bit concerned about it slipping without adjusting it or wearing a wig grip. One of the reasons I waited to review this wig, I've had her for a while, is just because she is so thin, and I had like thicker hair, and I just cut all my hair off. I don't feel like you could wear her if you had a lot of hair. You just couldn't. It's just very thin. I'm kind of disappointed because I really searched for this wig in this color. I'm disappointed at how thin it is. So this is what she looks like so far. Let's check out the back, because that's really what I'm concerned about. The blunt cut is cute. I don't mind it. I love this coloring. I won't know too much until I edit to see if I can really see. I mean, I wish there was just like a little bit more brown in the back so it wasn't so pink. I don't really like the blunt back cut. That's my personal preference. I mean, she is comfortable. There's really not much to do with her. I wonder if I could heat style it so that some of these hairs are like heat styled back. I don't hate her. All right, let me try to get this chick together and see what we can do. don't hate this wig. I love it from the front. It does feel light on my head, and although it feels a little big, it's secure. Like, I don't have the combs in or anything. I feel like I was able, yeah, to train a little bit more of the brown to go in the back. Like, it's super pink in the back, which I think because of that color pink in the back, it just looks super wig because of the shade of the pink and the fact that it's like bone straight at this like blunt cut. I do like it sort of tucked behind the ear. I think I would wear her. I want to see her with a hat. I just wonder what she looks like. Ooh, that's so cute. Let me look at her from the back. I think this is gonna... Yeah, she's super cute with a hat. So I do like that a lot. Yeah, I don't mind her. I'll try to wear her to work this week and see what happens if I end up keeping her on or whatever. I just, again, the back really does make it look super wiggy, so that's the part that I don't like. I just wish there was a little bit more hair. But other than that, like, it's not bad. I'm not saying it's a bad wig. If you have a bigger collection or you're looking for a blunt cut, I don't think it would be horrible. I do like this coloring, so if you know of any other wigs that has this sort of that pink mocha or pink brown coloring, let me know, because I do want a wig with this color. That's my review. If you have her, let me know what you think about her, if you agreed or if you disagreed or what have you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.